Okay, today we're doing section 3.8. These are slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. So we are going to be comparing the slopes of two lines, and we're going to be able to tell if they are parallel or perpendicular. So the relationship between parallel or perpendicular lines can be used to write the equation of a line also. So how do we know that lines are parallel? Well, first of all, parallel lines will never intersect. They're coplanar, which means they're in the same plane, but they never touch each other. Parallel lines, and the reason why they do this is because they have the same slope, which is really important. And then any two vertical lines or any two horizontal lines are parallel. And so what that looks like is if they were both straight up and down. If it's straight up and down like these two, those are always going to be parallel. And the way that we denote parallel is by using the arrow there. And two horizontal lines, pretend like these are perfect horizontal lines. And we denote those being parallel like this. So are these lines in the graph parallel? The answer is, I don't know yet. And so I have to figure this out. And so one way to figure it out is to look at the slopes. So they give us 2 points. So this one's my blue line. So this is my x2, y2, and my x1, y1. So I'm going to do 3 minus a negative 5 over 1 minus a negative 3. This gives me 8 over 4, which the slope is 2. So that's the slope of my blue line. Now I need to do the slope of this red line here. And I'm going to do the same thing. This is my x2, y2, and my x1, y1. So my slope is equal to my y2 minus that negative 2, that y1, all over 5 minus 2. So 6 over 3. Hey, look at that, same slope, so these are parallel. And the way that we explain it is by using these two pieces. So that's important and a good way to justify our answer.